Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 4 power x multiplied by 4 power x equals 36. So to solve this, we consider the solution from here. So from the given questions, we have 4 power of x multiplied by 4 power of x, and this equals 36. So this expression is follows when we have a multiplied by a. A times a, so with the power of 1. So this equals a to the power of 2. As when we take our a as 4 power x, then it becomes 4 power of x, then raised to power of 2 equals 36. As we have these expressions, so by rule of exponent, if we have 4 power x raised to power of another power, so we multiply this power and this power together, and this becomes 4 power of 2x equals 36. So having this, let's try and introduce log on both sides. By introducing logarithm, we have log 4 power of 2x equals log 36. So we have to consider this rule again. Suppose we have log p raised to power n, so this equals n log p. So applying this to the above, we have 2x log 4 equals log 36. By dividing both sides by log 4, since we need x, we have to divide both sides by log 4 first. So we divide this one by log 4. So when log 4 cancelled log 4, what we have here becomes 2x equals log 36 divided by log 4. And for this 36 we have here, we know 36, we can break 36 into the product of 4 and 9. So we have log 4 multiplied by 9, that is 36, divided by log 4. So here is the product log, and assume we have log a multiplied by b. So this is the same thing as log a plus log b. So therefore we have 2x equals log 4 plus log 9 divided by log 4. And when we try and separate this with the log of base with the log of 4, what we have here becomes 2x equals log 4 divided by log 4, then plus log 9 divided by log 4. So having this expression, then we proceed. So if this is what we have, log 4 cancelled log 4. So here we have 2x equals 1 plus log 9 divided by log 4. And then we have 2x equals 1 plus, log 9 here, we can write this as log 3 power of 2, that is 9, divided by log 4, and we can also write that one as 2 power of what? 2 power of 2, as we have already applied this power log already. So we have log of 3 power 2, we can call it 2 log 3. We have 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 2. And when 2 cancel 2, so here becomes 2x equals 1 plus log 3 divided by log 2. So having this, we proceed, as we are going to consider another rule from here. If you have log a divided by log b, so this equals log a base b. So applying it, we have 2x equals 1 plus log 3 base 2. Then by dividing both sides by 2 throughout of this, so we have 2 cancel 2, as the value of our x here equals 1 plus log 3 base 2 all divided by 2. And here is the value of x that satisfies this problem. And let's try and check. We are going to check if this satisfies the equation. So the equation says 4 power x multiplied by 4 power x equals 36. So we have to replace x with what we just got here, which is 1 plus log 3 base 2. So by substituting it into this, we are going to have this as 4 raised to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 all divided by 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2. I want to check if this equals 36. So by this, we have 4 here, which you can write this as 2 power 2, which is 4. Then open bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2 multiply by again 2 raised to the power 2 into bracket of 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2. And we are to show that this equals 36. You know from here 2 cancel 2 and 2 also cancel 2 by this. So after 2 cancel 2, then we have already cancelled 2. Then the remaining becomes 2 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of log 3 base 2. And we have to show that this equals 36. So 2 raised to the power 1 here, that is 2 multiplied by, and 2 raised to the power of log 3 base 2, so that becomes 3. Because anytime we have this base and the base of the power of this, which is the base of log, it becomes this logarithm itself. Then multiply by 2 multiplied by 3. So we want to show that this equals 36. And by this, 2 times 2, we have 2 times 2 here, multiplied by 3 times 3. So we want to check if this equals 36. So 2 times 2 here, that is 2 raised to the power of 2, multiplied by 3 times 3, that is 3 raised to the power 2, equals 36. Then by this, we have 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4, multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2, that is 6. Is 9. We want to check if this equals 36. And 4 times 9, that is 36. It means 36 equals 36. So therefore, the value of x that we got, which is 1 plus log 3 base 2 all divided by 2, is the satisfying solution to this log. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.